This is an outdoor LED totem with pixel pitch only 2 mm, so the image looks very delicate. The color of the screen is also very beautiful with high gray level. And we not only focus on the LED screen, the structure is also important. We use aluminum housing with IP rating, which is available for outdoor applications. The aluminum housing is anti-rusting and easy to clean. The coating keeps clean even many years later. Look, we can open the door from outside. That's much easier for us to do maintenance, such as replace the LED modules or receiving cars. There are also air cooling system here. Air curtain is in front of the LED screen. For the small pitch LED screen, the heat dissipation is very important, so the official cooling system is necessary, and the CLC display is experienced for that.